So I opened my project and I put some little stickers and now the images are pink. How to solve this? Or maybe you have your environment all pink. So this means Blender can't find the path to these images. Maybe you deleted them from your computer, maybe you changed the folder, you move them in another folder. So what you can do, you can go in File and then in External Data. And here you have Find Missing Files. So all the missing files will be found by Blender. So now I can go in my folder where I have all the images I use and find missing files. Now all my images are here and you have to do it with the other folder. So I put the folder for these images, but you see there was a little error window where I had a lot of images not found because I didn't put the folder for these images. So it was the texture for this plane, and I can go click on the plane, go in shading. So this was this texture here. So I can go in File, in External Data and find missing files. And now I will put the folder where these images are. So this is called Painted Wood 009. So it is this one. I can go in this folder and then find missing file. Now I have the texture for these. And if it doesn't work for your environment texture and you have your environment all pink, so you need to go in the environment in the world properties, and then in this, the environment texture, you need to go open your images again, and then it will not be pink and you have all your images on your scene. So I hope this video helps you to solve this problem. If you want to learn the basics of Blender, how to model, how to put textures, materials, how to do animations, how to render your image, you have my free beginners course. You have the link in the description to join. See you in another video. Bye.